For our Science in a Wild project, we found an article called Brain Implant Returns Power of Speech to ALS Patient by Chloe Shadle, Daniel Rader, and Emma Mills. The topic of this article was about a 45-year-old patient suffering with ALS receiving brain implants to help improve speech. The implant decoded signals from his speech centers and translates it into a digital voice. The digital voice was trained on audio of the patient speaking prior to his ALS progressing so that it would mimic his original voice. The AI system helped him go from producing 7 words a minute, only his caregiver could understand, to 32 completely intelligible words per minute. The author's purpose of this article was to inform people on the new technology being used to potentially help those suffering with ALS and the benefits it could have. One of many new ways AI is being used.
Fact-checking. Our article, Brain Implant Returns Power of Speech to ALS Patient, was published in Inc.com, which is not a peer-reviewed source, rather a business magazine. However, the author of this article, Kit Eaton, has his PhD in physics from the University of Warwick. The article also references Reuters News, which does include some peer-reviewed work. According to Reuters, the studies discussed in this article from Inc.com have been published in the New England Journal of Medicine, which is peer-reviewed. Is the information sound? Although only vaguely referenced, the data presented is backed up by a recent research article. The data and research studies discussed have been published in the New England Journal of Medicine, which is peer-reviewed. The author does not present any bias towards this specific topic.
As far as strengths go, the article references another news article by Reuters which does reference the research article from which the information was derived, and the information in this Inc. article does line up with that Reuters article. It's also easily digestible. As far as weaknesses go, almost all of the hyperlinks in the article just lead to other articles wrote by Inc.com. The Reuters article it takes the information from, on the other hand, only utilizes hyperlinks to show research sources. It does not reference a research article or researcher directly a single time, and very little scientific data is shared. Our discussion question for the class is, do you think that AI will be more commonly implemented into AAC devices in the near future?